Hey people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are most welcome. In today's video, I am going to show you a remedy that you will never have dark spots again when you use this remedy the way I am going to be showing you, and it's also going to help you to remove dark under eye and puffy eye and also dark circles. Okay, so if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button below and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to share this video, guys, please. And alright, follow me on Instagram, let's relate, because I have some very interesting short videos there also. Don't forget to drop your questions on my website. Now let's dive into this video. Now for pimples, we're gonna be needing potato. Now because potato contains a lightening property, so it's going to help in lightening up the dark spots. Okay, so it's just going to help in removing suntan, pigmentations, and age related problems. Now to do that, we're going to first of all prepare the potato, peel it up. Okay, we can as well just blend the whole thing with the peel, but just to make it whiter, like so it won't get too dark, we have to remove the peel. Now we're gonna be grating it. Now for this, guys, you can actually blend yours, okay, but for me, I'm just gonna be grating this, and I'm going to try to do that in a circular motion, so at least I can get a little bit of juice out of this. This would be perfect. Now we're just going to be turning this whole thing into the strainer. Okay, so we can actually just get the juice out of here. So I'm going to be using my hands to extract it, and so I can get the juice. Right, so as you can see, the starch has actually settled beneath the bowl, so we're going to be stirring that to mix everything up. Okay, and the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this will be lemon. Now because lemon is citric in nature, and it also contains a lightening property, and it contains vitamin C, is going to help to leave the skin glowing, youthful, radiant, and beautiful. And it's going to remove all spots, pigmentation, age spots. It's great for black hairs and white hairs. Okay, alright, so now we're going to be putting in the lemon, and as usual we're going to be cutting it so we can extract the juice. Okay, then we're gonna be sieving it out. Just a little bit of the lemon is gonna be perfect, and that quantity is okay, guys. And then we're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda, which is actually very important for this natural remedy, and is also very important for spots. This is actually what I personally have actually been using for my spots, and it was actually very good, and it's been very nice. So you can actually buy baking soda in a baking shop. They sell baking items. Okay, that's actually where you're going to see baking soda to buy. Now for the bicarbonate of soda, you're going to put enough of it so this can work really well. So I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and pour the whole thing inside this. Okay, so it's going to be foamy, just like this. You can see that foamy. Then you're going to be needing a little bit of olive oil, Your olive oil has to be organic so that this ingredient will work so well on your skin. Okay, to make everything better, I'm gonna be putting in just a little bit of measuring just a little bit of that, and then I'll put that into. I'm gonna be stirring this all up, okay, so that it can mix. Now you have to stir and stir very well, because you need the baking soda to dissolve and induce inside of this potato juice alongside with lemon juice. So we're going to be stirring it even more. Okay, that is how the treatment is going to work. Alright, so what you do is that you have to allow this treatment to settle, and then you grab this. So this is actually what you're going to be using, okay, to apply on your pimple area, dark spots. Okay, all right guys, so here is my treatment. Okay, you can see that. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this part, okay, this solid part made from baking soda is actually what I'm actually going to be using. So that's actually what you're going to use. And then I have some couple of dark spots though. Okay, so you're going to use that to scrub all of those dark spots that you have around them. So when you apply it on the dark spot area, then you scrub it. Okay, so I have here also, and then I have some mark here. Okay, so what I do is that I'm just going to scrub. So you have to scrub it as you apply it, just like that. If you have it all over your face, guys, you can just apply everything, scrub it all out. I don't have too much of spots, but sometimes when I'm on my time, like my monthly time, I tend to break out, you know, just a little, and then after 3 days the breakout is gone, because I have to apply something and then all of the breakouts will be gone. Okay, so that's basically how I actually take care of my dark spots. And then when you're done scrubbing, you can actually leave it on like this for a couple of minutes, for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now if you actually mix this ingredients just like I earlier said, okay, it's gonna be working really fine on your dark spots. Okay, so after 10 to 15 minutes, then you can actually go and wash this off. Trust me on this, guys, when you use this treatment, like, your dark spot is just going to begin to fade off from the very first day you start using this. Okay, all of your dark spots is going to begin to fade off like really well. So after that, then you can, now if you're having dark circles, guys, you see this liquid stuff here, this one, okay, the liquid one up there. Okay, so that is actually what you're going to use. You dap your hands in it just like this, and then you would rub it under your eye if you're having puffiness. Okay, you rub it under there. You're not going to use the baking soda that is settled here, so you just use this liquid one, and then you rub it around there. That's if you're having darkness around that side. Okay, and then if you're having any wrinkles or any breakout, you rub that. Okay, so basically that's how you're just going to apply that, and you know, rub it all through, and then you just go wash it off with a normal room temperature water. Okay, so I'm just gonna be washing this off. All right, so when you're done washing, you're gonna notice that your skin is just gonna be very smooth and very soft. and the dark spot is just going to begin to fade off. Now when you're done, you have to keep this treatment for a couple of weeks. You can actually keep it for like 2 weeks and it's going to stay there. So you have to use that to always scrub your dark spots, okay? And then, you know, in some couple of days, like, you are going to be surprised with the result. In some couple of days, all of the dark spots is just going to fade off, guys, and you are going to be loving your results, okay? Because it's just actually going to be really good. So you can store it in an airtight container, and then you keep it in a place where you can get hold of it anytime, so you can always use it, okay? So that's it, guys. When you scrub at that particular part in which you have your dark spots, I mean, and also your under eye, all of those stuff is just gonna go, but you have to like follow it with strength and power and vigor, you know, so that it's just gonna, what it is gonna do is that it's just going to be fading off and fading off and fading off. Before you know it, all of the dark spot is gone. So if you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be in my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.